Hello and welcome to my first tutorial on Python series. So this is the first episode in the series, kind of an introduction about Python. So at first, what is Python? Python is one of the most widely used programming language in industry. It's a powerful general purpose language, with application ranging from web development to data science. In this series, you'll learn Python from scratch to advanced level. So, let's first install Python. To install Python, you need two things. The first thing, you need Python installed, and the second, you need an IDE. An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it's basically a text editor with more functionality designed for programming. So an IDE is a text editor where you can write and run your Python code. For this series, I'm gonna use Spyder as an IDE. You can use whatever IDE you want. So, to install Python, you need to go to python.org's official website for Python. Then go to download. Press this button. I've already downloaded the file, so let's open it. Make sure that you check this option. Press install now. After that, we need to download the editor for Python. Press download. Choose your system type. Also, I've already downloaded the file. So let's open it. Press next. I agree. Next. Next. Then install. Now, Anaconda has installed successfully. Let's open it. So, let's launch Spyder. This is the Spyder interface. Here you write your own code, and here is the code run. So, I hope the video you like it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, enjoy Python.